I'm on Amazon right now, and the F100 Ghost Drone is currently 149 bucks. And to prove to you that I have not misrepresented this video, I'm going to show you what I paid for it, because I did not pay $149 for that. So I'm going to go ahead and take you on over to my orders, and I'll show you. All right, we're on my orders site, my orders page, and you see that $104.99 promotion. I only paid $45 for, where is it? Right here, F100 Ghost Drone. 45 bucks. All right, I hope you can see this with the glare of my professional lighting. Anyway, let's get down here. This is the box. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? A Force 100 Ghost Drone for $45. Inside, you can get the typical instructions. And typically for MJX and Force 1, well, really this is MJX. It's just rebranded for Force 1. The instructions are really good. There's no broken English or anything like that. They're really straightforward and easy to read. You get a controller, which I'm certain are fake antennas. And unlike the Bugs 3, you don't have to go ahead and screw on the little knobs on there. Comes already assembled and ready to fly. Okay, inside the box, and you get the drone. Already comes with one skin on. You can go ahead and take the skin off, and in its place, you can go ahead and do like a sporty blue one if you want. Get a focus on that. Sporty blue one. Comes with a black one right here. Propeller guards. 2 sets of propellers. The landing legs down here. 2 1800 milliamp batteries along with a charger. The charger's cheap. If you want to wait all day long to wait for a charge for just one battery, have at it. The best way to go about it is a hobby grade charger. You know, much faster and much better for the LiPo batteries as well. You get a USB plug. Why is it a USB plug? Because of the 1080p action cam, Force 1 action cam that came with the Bugs 3. Excuse me, the Force 100. As well as a mount for the Force 100 for your action cam, which I may or may not use. I might mod something. And talking about mods, this one, as long as it stays in my hangar, as long as it doesn't decide that it wants to leave me, you know, and fly far, far away, I will be modding this. So yeah, 45 bucks with the action cam, 2 skins. You can't beat 2 batteries right there. 2 1800 milliamp batteries. So yeah, here it is. It looks a lot like a Bugs 3, doesn't it? Just needs some eyes there. Well, it is. It's a MJX Bugs 3 rebranded for Force 1. 45 schmackers, a tank of gas. There you go. Oh yeah, $45. It's like winning the lottery. Man, thank you, J-Drone. Oh yeah, let me do a shout out to that. I don't know if I already did a shout out to J-Drone. If you guys are not tuned in to J-Drone, he's really out there to help you, all his dronies, save a little bit of cash. Had I not watched his video on how to get a good Force 1 deal, I would have ended up being like everybody else and just paying it retail at 70% off. J-Drone, what you need to do to get a Force 1 deal, Facebook, Force 1's Facebook site. Go there. Under the tabs, you'll see offers. Typically, you're going to see a lot of great deals out there for Force 1 drones. 2 days ago, went there 70% off. And 2 days later, today, I received my Force 1. J-Drone, guys. We'll talk to you later.